So this is US oil analysis for Wednesday the 15th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we show this sharp acceleration to the upside. We've had prices trade beyond the 68.19. We weren't able to hold 68.19. What we did instead see was after testing 68.19, we closed beneath the 68.19. And what we did see from that is a follow through here to the downside, breaking beyond 67.73, 67.12. Had a test of that 66.71, brief rally from that 66. Brief, I wouldn't even say it's a rally, a pullback from 66.71, from which we've had a more recently pretty strong momentum candle here to the downside, breaking beyond 67.12. And also the 66.71, from which we previously had that pullback. And from that pullback from that 66.71, we've had the prices currently consolidating around that 66.71. So if we do build a base in around 66.71, we may see a counter move up towards that 67.12, successful break from which we're looking for move up towards that 67.73, 68.19. And if we are successful in breaking and holding 68.19, very next level of null to the upside is 69.51. If, however, we do see this breakdown from 66.71, we're looking for a move down towards that 66.12, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 65.60. And if we do see follow through beyond 65.60 here to the downside, we are looking for prices to head down towards that 64.75 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the US oil. How we get scale on here correct. And as you can see here, we've had a sharp move up towards that $75 barrel, sharp an equally sharp move to the downside. We've gone to this period of consolidation, and what we have seen is a rejection in around that 69.51. Strong momentum follow through to the downside, making new lows. Should clear this chart a bit. Making new lows. We've had a brief pullback, tested that 68.19, rejected. As can be seen by the previous day's candle, close near very lows in around that 66.71. So if we do see a fall through to the downside, should be aware of that 64.75 being a potential area of support, as we do have the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close by towards that level. Thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that 64.75. If we do fail to hold 64.75 from a daily chart perspective, we're looking for a move down towards that 63.76, pretty much the area where we found support for seeing this move here to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.